Revitalize your well-being with fresh carrot juice magic. Are you ready to unlock a natural health boost in one simple step? Carrot juice isn't just a tasty treat, it's a powerhouse of essential nutrients that your body craves. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, this drink can revolutionize the way you feel, look, and live. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, promoting sharp vision and youthful skin. Add to that the detoxifying properties and a burst of energy, and you've got an all-in-one health elixir. Stay tuned to learn why a daily glass can transform your lifestyle. Want clearer skin and sparkling eyes? Carrot juice has the antioxidants your body needs to flush out toxins, reduce acne, and fight wrinkles. The beta-carotene helps protect your vision, preventing issues like dryness and even slowing macular degeneration. Feeling run down lately? Carrot juice is loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system. Its antibacterial properties help your body fight infections, while potassium and folate keep your heart healthy and blood pressure in check. Skip the sugar-laden energy drinks. Carrot juice is a natural way to boost your stamina and vitality. Plus, its rich fiber content aids digestion and cleanses your body by flushing out harmful toxins. Making fresh carrot juice is easier than you think. Start by washing and peeling 3-4 fresh carrots. Chop them into small pieces and toss them into a blender or juicer. Add a splash of water or orange juice for extra flavor and blend until smooth. Want to level up your juice? Try adding a pinch of ginger for a spicy kick or a squeeze of lemon for a tangy twist. Serve it chilled for a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink that feels indulgent yet guilt-free. Always use fresh, organic carrots for the most nutrients and best taste. Drink your carrot juice immediately after making it to preserve its nutritional value. Limit your intake to a glass a day, as too much beta-carotene can cause your skin to turn slightly orange. A simple habit like drinking fresh carrot juice daily can make a world of difference in your health and energy levels. Why not commit to giving it a try for a week? Experience better skin, stronger immunity, and a vibrant new you. Take the first step today. Stock up on carrots, dust off your blender, and share this video with a friend who needs a health boost. Let's drink our way to a healthier life, one glass of carrot juice at a time.